Hello guys, today we are going to make one calculator app. As you can see, it's functional. First of all, we will make one index.html file. After that, we'll make one also style.css. After that, name this title as a calculator, and inside the body tag we'll give one container, and inside the container we will give one div calculator, and inside we will give one input text, and we'll give this input as a id as input box, and inside that we'll give one button. This will be our button. As you can see, we'll copy this button and we'll name this as delete. This will delete one number at a time, and next we will give 1%, and this will be the division. As you can see, we'll copy this button and paste it. After that, we will change this to number 789, and we'll give this as multiply. Again, same, we'll change the number 456. Give this again 1 2 3, and this will be plus addition, and this will be 00, and this will be single 0, and this will be 1 dot, and after this will be equal. After that, we will link the style.css file, and we'll come to the css file. Give this a padding of 0, margin of 0, and box sizing of border box, and we'll come to Google font, and here we will search Montserrat. We will search Montserrat. Here, as you can see, we'll get the font. Click on the import, and then we'll copy this. Paste it in the upper part of the file. After that, we'll copy this Montserrat and write here font family Montserrat. And if the Montserrat doesn't work, the sans serif will work. After that, we will target the body tag. Give this a width of 100 view width and height of 100 view height, and the background will be white for now. After that, we will come to the container and we'll target the container. Let's give this a display flags, justify content center, and align item center. After that, we'll target the calculator class. Give this a width of 400 pixels. For now, let's give this a background of black and height of 550 pixel, let's say. After that, After that, we'll give a padding of 20 pixels and a border radius of 1 em. Let's see. And box shadow of 0 pixel, 10 pixel and 90 pixels, and the color would be now. After that, let's give this a border of 1 pixel solid white. Next, we'll come to the input element. Let's give this input as 100%, border of none, padding of 25 pixels, color of white, color of white, margin bottom 10 pixels, and background will be this color. After that, we'll give a box shadow of 0 pixel, 3 pixels, 15 pixels, and RGBA of 86, 81, 81, 0.1. And the font size will be 30 pixel, let's say. Let's give this 40 pixels. Now it's much better. And the font weight will be 600, and text align will be right, so that it comes from the right side, and cursor will be pointer, and border radius of 0.6 em. After that, we'll give this input placeholder a color. After that, we'll come to the button. We'll give this button element border of none, width of 85 pixels, height of 79 pixels, let's say 70 pixels, and margin top of 5 pixels, and border radius of 5 em. Cursor will be pointer, and in the body tag we'll give the background of black. And after that, we'll come to the button and we'll give this a color of white. And after that, we'll come to the index.html. Give this AC a class of button AC, so that we can target the AC button. And we'll copy this and paste it in the next button. And we'll change this AC to delete. And let's make the style of this button. We'll target the AC dot button and give this a background of red. And next, we'll target the delete button. And again, we'll give this delete button a color of orange. And after that, we'll target all the arithmetic button. Give this a percentage class of button gray, We'll copy this and paste it in each arithmetic button.
Solid. I'm hollow. There's nothing by
After that, we'll come to the style.css and we'll make changes in the
it is if I
arithmetic operations button.
never thought anything.
We'll give this a color of gray.
Blackness. Silence.
One button is not getting the color. Let's see why it is. We have not given the class. Let's give this divide button this class. As you can see, let's give this a class of button dark gray. We'll copy this and paste it in the style.css and we'll target this and give this a background of we did not save the file. Let's save the file and the changes has been made. After that, we'll give this on click as input box dot value and we'll give an empty string. After that, again we will give this delete one on click functions input box dot value equal to input box dot value dot to string dot slice 0 comma -1. Again we will give on click equal to input box dot value we'll give this percentage because it's a percentage button, and like the same we'll give each button as an on click functions. and in the equal arithmetic we will give again on click equal to input box dot value equal, we will give evaluate, and inside evaluate we will give input box dot value. As you can see, it's working.